country boy with your quiet voice and impeccable style. Don't ever let them steal your joy and your gentle ways to keep them from running wild. Let him laugh while they can. Let him spin. Let him scatter in the wind. Well, I've been to the movies. I've seen how it ends. They can get dead in your face, to trash you down and tell you that your place is in the middle, when they hate the way you shine.